Verification line 2 is clear. Throughput at 98%. Good, push the next batch through.
We're maintaining optimal speed through the cleaning unit. The substrate looks good. Check the real-time data logs.
The current reading is holding steady at 125.3. That's within the tolerance range. Keep the feed rate consistent.
Look at the defect images here. The registration is off on unit 03. Yeah. Yes, I see it. The flashing lights confirm the anomaly. We need to adjust the alignment tolerance.
The registration on the gold foil looks perfect.
Yes.
Agreed. Run the next batch.
Check the density on quadrant 3. It's still running a bit light. Yeah. Acknowledged. Yeah. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Alignment is calibrated. Hologram application looks good, Charlie. We are running smoothly. The authentication rate is holding steady at 99.8%.
That meets the threshold. We can proceed with the run.
We're maintaining target encryption statistics.
And throughput remains stable at maximum velocity.
Authentication statistics are holding steady at 99%.
Excellent. Certify the reports and continue the conveyor run. We're maintaining the target production rate. The RFID validation is holding steady at 99.7.
Excellent. Let's finalize the report on the system status.
How are the serial numbers tracking? We're synchronized and active. Batch sequencing is green across the board.
Verification rate in Zone 3 is holding steady at 99.8.
Confirmed. The hologram scanner is stable.
I've analyzed the final reports. Everything is in order for batch 47.
Good work. We'll get these verified sheets moving to the finishing department.
The alignment is perfect. Verified on screen, commencing cut. Check the next batch. Status update on line 3.
We're on target for the shift output. The new calibration seems to be working efficiently. Check the authentication rate on batch 08.
It's holding at 99.97%.
Accuracy verified. The sensors are maintaining the required throughput and the error rate is negligible. Agreed. Batch accuracy confirmed. Finalize the report. The efficiency metrics on Station 4 are holding steady at 99.8%. Good.
The batch verification looks correct for the final run. Verification line 2 is clear. Throughput at 98%. Good, push the next batch through. The automated systems are synchronized. Loading data is green across the board. Verified. We are clear for the next wave of transports.
Pallet 145 is cleared. Verification successful. Reports confirm. Dispatch authorized. Verification complete on my end.
Acknowledged.
Acknowledged.
Let's get these on the conveyor. Need a scan on these boxes, gate 4. Okay. Inventory updated on the manifest.
Vehicle 1 cleared for departure. Tracking systems active. Confirmed. Updating records now.
Verification complete on Station 4. The manifests match the physical inventory. Confirmed. The system is updating now. Check the manifest against the container ID.
Route assignment confirmed. Looks good.
Authorization granted. Send it through. Verification results look good on the latest batch. I'm cross-referencing the security logs now. Everything seems secure.
The control to Convoy Alpha, route is clear. Verify all systems green.
Alpha 1 copies. Systems green. Proceeding to waypoint 1.
Convoy 1, you are tracked and authorized for departure. Gates open.